Hi guys. Watch in this video. How to make Lamborghini Aventador replica and fiberglass body kit car from car buck files. Need digital car buck files and paper printer or CNC machine. Then need to make car buck sections from wood board. After that, need to assemble the sections one after another to get a whole skeleton of the future car body. There is nothing difficult in this. The main thing is to do everything in stages and then everything will work out. Then need to fill the space between the sections with foam or something else suitable. After that, need to cover the layout with putty in several layers. Then need to bring the surface of the layout to the ideal before working with fiberglass. After preparing the surface of the layout to the ideal, work with resin and glass fiber is carried out to make a finished fiberglass body, future kit car. The finished fiberglass body, kit car, is mounted on the donor car or on the frame. The Lamborghini Aventador replica is ready. If you need digital car buck files, then
Welcome!